Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Jan Kaminsky and I'm the course leader for our brand new nursing elective course, Nursing 453. Nursing 453 is called Interprofessional Perspectives in LGBTQ plus Health, and I'm very, very excited to have you here. This is a growing field of interest for a wide variety of healthcare providers, but we know that there's quite a dearth of information in terms of knowledge and research about related subjects. We do know that LGBTQ plus persons are at risk for health disparities. And in this course, we're going to examine some of the health disparities, issues of access and care, and some health issues that are more disproportionately affect LGBTQ plus persons. I just want to go through the course learning outcomes for this course. Determine, appraise, reflect, and utilize terminology related to LGBTQ plus persons and their health. Communicate knowledge of the health disparities faced by LGBTQ plus persons. Summarize key developmental challenges of LGBTQ plus persons across the lifespan. Interpret the significance of intersectional identities for LGBTQ plus persons, and evaluate U.S. and state health policies related to LGBTQ health. So those are some of the objectives that we are going to work on through this semester. In this course, you're going to have a number of different assignments. First, there's going to be discussion boards. You're familiar with discussion boards from all of your CUNY SPS classes, and this class is no different. You're going to have 8 different discussion boards throughout the semester so that we can have a really robust conversation about LGBTQ plus health and how it impacts the different aspects of what we're discussing in this course. You're then going to have 3 sort of longer reflections, we're calling them, and those are a little bit more in depth, 500 to 750 words each. And then you're going to have a writing assignment called Topics in Health. So I'll tell you a little bit more about each of these assignments. You're going to have a collaborative interventions proposal and a collaborative interventions final presentation. So first off, the reflections. Over the course of the semester, you're going to reflect on your learning. These are first-person narratives, so you're really going to speak from the heart. It's not a formal APA formatted paper. It's more of a reflection on your experience. Then in the second assignment, Topics in Health, you're going to select a hot topic in LGBTQ health, and that one is going to be an APA formatted formal paper where you identify a health issue, you choose a population of interest, and you think about a health outcome related to that chosen issue. Then in collaborative groups, we're going to work in student-selected groups of 2 to 3. You're going to be working on a proposal about how you plan to talk about collaborative interventions for the presentation. So basically what I want you to think about it as is a study guide on a topic that will help other students understand the topic and potential intervention. So for example, maybe you are choosing smoking cessation in LGBTQ plus women. You're then going to talk about the problem, talk about the intervention, what are some of the implications of the intervention, some of the outcomes, what is some future work that you could do in that related to the intervention, and then how you intend to present the intervention. So that's the proposal. And then in the actual final presentation for that, in the same group of 2 to 3, you're going to do a presentation based on that intervention. Now, I'd love to see some creativity in this. You could do a PowerPoint, that's fine, but you could also consider a tweet thread, podcast episode, a short film or documentary, a Wikipedia page, a comic or graphic storytelling. You can really get creative with this, and I would love to see some of the other ideas that you might have for this and really express yourselves. All of the guidelines and rubrics for everything that you're going to do this semester is going to be in the Blackboard course site, right where we are here. So please, please take your time to go through the Blackboard course site. Please take your time to go through the syllabus. There's quite a few videos and learning modules in this course. I really wanted to keep it as a zero educational resource course, an open educational resource course. So because of that, we don't have a textbook, but we do have a lot of different learning modules and webinars and that type of thing throughout the semester. And I think you'll get a lot out of them. So with that all being said, it's great to meet you. We're going to have a fantastic semester. I look forward to getting to know each and every one of you better. And here we are. Let's do it.